Hello, this is Dave or David or whichever you want to call, otherwise known as ViRiX Dreamcore. Today I'm going to be showing you a project I've been working on called ViRiX Dreamcore's Dynamic Dream. Now, this is a project that was created in Unity and uses Audiokinetic's Wwise middleware tool to drive all the audio.
ViRiX Dreamcore, Dynamic Dream.
So,
use the left and the right directional buttons to select the demonstration. Then press the X button to confirm.
So all of the music and sound design was done by me. You didn't hear any sound effects yet, but all of that was composed by me at different times throughout my musical career. The graphics are also done by me aside from aside from parts of the UI, like that shape on the left, which is kind of a 2D version of the crystal gear that I always use. That's actually the very same crystal gear in the background that you see pictured on the YouTube channel and all that stuff. That's that same gear. And so yeah. So this is a project that is used to demonstrate my music and sound design work. So let's start. Then later I'll kind of get into why it exists.
Hold and release R2 and listen to how the music changes. You can also press the face buttons to move through different parts of the song. Press the options button to open the pause menu.
Alright, so this is basically demonstrating what's called vertical and horizontal dynamic music. This is really a simple demonstration of how interactive dynamic music can work. So this song is made of 9 parts. There are 3 sections of the song. Technically there are 5, but I'll go over those in a second. There are 3 sections of the song, and each section has 3 layers to it. So this is the first section of the song. We'll call it section A. And all you're hearing right now is layer 1 of section A. Now, if I hold R2, like the voice was saying, which was done by a friend of mine named Solar, by the way, she's pretty good at it. So, anyways, so if I hold the R2 button, you can start to hear layer 2 of section 1 start to come in. Kind of gotta hold and let go, because if I keep holding, layer 3 will come in. So this is layer 3 with all the instruments. And then this is layer 2. This is layer 1. And so now we're going to go to section 2. And section 2 has the same type of interaction with layers 1, 2, and 3 of section 2. And section 3. Sorry for the visual a bit too weird. I turned the glow up on the first 2 sections and forgot to turn it back down. But yeah. So you might also notice that everything is on beat. So the 4th and the 5th areas, or the 4th and the 5th sections that actually don't have any layers, they're just 2 simple sections, is the end of the song. And the start of the song. And you can end it from anywhere. So this is the pause menu, and actually all of these sounds, by the way, are available, random plug, in the Unity Asset Store and Unreal Marketplace. So, yeah. So anyways, though that's the that's that area, and this is kind of a pause menu. It's a work in progress, as you can see. I have to actually remap all the controls and everything so that they can work with any controller, but for now, this is what's there. Oops.
ViRiX Dreamcore, Dynamic Dream.
Area 2 is something that is still a work in progress. I actually work on that every Monday night on stream. So if you actually go there right now in this build, what'll happen is...
Area offline.
Yes. Yes, the area is offline.
ViRiX Dreamcore.
And she
Dynamic
actually says... Wait, let me let her talk again. She's gonna keep talking.
Use the left and the right directional buttons to select the demonstration. Then press the X button to confirm.
So, the reason this exists is because when I would go to expos and, you know, like GDEX or East Coast Gaming Conference or Siege or anything like that, I'll even say GDC even though I've never been there, but still. I would say something like, oh yeah, I make music for video games and sound design stuff. And they're like, oh, okay, that's cool, that's fine. That's nice, oh, give me your business card, you know, maybe I'll listen to it, maybe. Or I could say, put on these headphones, and you know, if you want to, you can listen. So I thought, you know, that's a little bit, you know, everyone's got their games stuff. I want to show off my stuff too. So I decided I'll make this little demonstration. So instead of me just saying, oh yeah, I make video game music, you could sort of play it and experience it for yourself. And not only will you see that, oh, you make video game music, but oh, there's also, this is how it can be implemented into a video game. So that is why these demonstrations exist. There's going to be the other one I'm working on is sort of an interactive, future-based, interactive music video machine type of thing. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically you make a beat and there's a character that dances to it. But that's still pretty early in development. And I'm gonna probably add some other areas that are gonna be probably little prototypes of games I wanted to do, mostly rhythm games and stuff. And if people like them and they turn out good, they might turn into actual full games. And like I said again, this is using Unity 2018.1. It's using Audio Kinetics Wwise. I am terrible at programming, so I'm using Playmaker to program everything. Oh, there's this section too. Playmaker to program everything, Rewire for controller, and another add-on for importing like Photoshop stuff for like UI things. So this area, so I set up this game or demonstration or whatever, this dream, I guess, or whatever, to run kind of like an arcade. So if I have to walk away for a second or do something, the game is supposed, I call it a game, but the application is set to kind of run itself so that you won't ever have to restart it or anything. It'll just work. So everything has a timer on it so that if it sits at the start screen too long, it kind of just goes to this area and just plays random songs. So you can like, oh, here's the music that I made. And it just plays, I put a whole bunch of random songs in that I've done over the years, and it just plays them randomly. It's got my information right there. It's got the QR code, which you can scan to go to the website. There's also some, there's some other stuff that exists. But pretty much that's how it works. And so that is ViRiX Dreamcore's Dynamic Dream. And if you want to see me working on it, I stream development of it every Monday night at 8:30 p.m. EST on Twitch and YouTube. This very YouTube channel, that is. Maybe I should have just put the name of the song in there. That might be a thing. Don't think about it. But yeah, so that is that's my Dynamic Dream. So if you have want to see Y stuff, you want to see Unity stuff, come on 8:30 EST Monday and check that out. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. If you have any questions about it, feel free to write in the comments. You can send an email, and I'll tell you what I can.